Assalamu alaikum, great one. Hope that you are fine at your places. Now, this is the time for our science lesson. So, we'll do the reading. So, open your textbook on page number 28. So, the topic of today is how can we protect our senses? Lastly, we have studied that why sense organs are important for us. So we should take care of them more. So we can protect our senses by taking care of our sense organs. Like we should take care of our eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Here are some things we should do. Do protect your eyes from too much sunlight. Like look at this boy, he's sitting on a beach taking sun bath and sun is in front of him. So the sunlight is directly coming to his eyes and he's wearing glasses. Otherwise, if he will not wear sunglasses, the sunlight could damage his eyes. So the question over here is that what can you wear to protect your eyes from too much sunlight? So we should wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from too much sunlight. Next is do read under proper lighting. Look at this girl, she's reading a book and the proper light is coming is on his book. So whenever you are studying at your home, there should be proper light where you are reading or doing your work so that your eyes could not damage. What do you need to light up a dark place as you can read? So what you need, whenever there is dark in your room, you should switch on the lights and light in the table lamp or light of bulbs or your light of tube lights. Do protect your skin from the sun. Now look at this boy, he's sitting on a beach taking sun bath and sun is there, but how he's protecting his skin, he's putting on sunblock on his skin. So we should protect our skin from too much sunlight by using sunblock. What should you put on your skin before you play under the sun? So the answer of this question is that we should put on sunblock whenever we are playing under the sun. And the next is do keep your mouth clean. So look at this girl. She's brushing her teeth by putting on toothpaste on the toothbrush. So we should clean our mouth and teeth by brushing our teeth twice a day in the morning and at night. So the question over here is what can you do to keep your mouth clean? So how can you keep your mouth clean? You can keep your mouth clean by brushing your teeth twice a day. And sometimes we can use mouthwash also to clean our mouth. So here are some things we should not do. These things may damage our senses. So there are some things which can damage your senses. Those things you should not do. Do not sit too close when you watch television. That whenever you are watching television, you should not sit too close as this girl is sitting. You should be 20 feet away from television. Also, while using your devices, your mobile and your computer, you should not be too much close to the screen. Do not put sharp object into your ears. Now look at this boy. He's putting sharp object into the ear. That object can damage his ear. So we should not do this. Do not listen to very loud music. So look at this boy. He's listening to music that is too loud and that will damage his ear. So we should not listen to too much loud music. Do not breathe in unknown odors deeply. Like whenever you want to breathe something, if there is some there, look at this girl, she's breathing from this bottle and she don't know that what's inside, but if she breathed it too closely, that could go into his nose and she could be sick out of it. So we should not breathe such odors deeply. Like whenever you are putting on some perfumes or sprays on your body, you should not breathe that odors deeply. So I hope you understand all these things and you'll be aware of these things, that how we can protect our senses, which things we should do and which things we should not do. So be safe at your places. Allah Hafiz from your side.